Hello guys, in today's evolving work, study and leisure landscape, tablet with the laptop-like functionality have become essential. Oscal, a popular choice, introduced its latest flagship, the 11-inch Pad 18, aiming to blur the lines between laptops and the tablets. The 11-inch IPS screen offers a comfortable and immersive viewing experience, transforming into a laptop with a desktop-like interface, featuring multi-video display, touchscreen and a natural pen support. With the 8800 mAh battery, the Pad 18 ensures up to 10 hours of daily use. Widevine L1 certification along with the quad speakers enhance the audio-visual experience. Powered by an octa-core Unisoc T616 processor, the Pad 18 boasts 8GB or 12GB of memory, expandable for free using advanced RAM expansion technology, with the 256GB internal memory, expandable of up to 1TB. The Pad 18 is well equipped for the main games and the multitasking. Running on the Android 13 with docOS P3.0 UI, the Pad 18 offers the intuitive interface on its 11-inch screen for seamless work, learning and entertainment. Act quickly to secure your Oscal Pad 18 at the promotional price from the official sales links below this video. Thanks for watching, subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye.